Honestly, I mean, I think me and Professor covered it a lot in depth like last summer, and she had a lot of success. Was it like the last 2 years, something like that? But she lost a key advisor that I guess was responsible for a lot of her like analysis and a lot of her purchases and stuff like that. And honestly, ever since he left the company, they've kind of gone to shit. And so it's like it's kind of funny. I think Kathy Wood's just a huge face to the name that had underlying reasons for success, possibly.
She had a ghost trader in the background.
Essentially, yeah.
That's right.
Do you remember that, Professor?
Oh yeah, no, I remember all spring and summer tracking Kathy's trades. It
Oh,
was
that
not
was
fun.
fun. That was fun.
It was not fun.
No, was it bad? It was just a headache, honestly.
Ooh, look at ADD right to our levels. Dark magnet.
That's the pop that I probably should have shorted versus just kind of chasing that news blip. But oh well, thesis still stands. I mean, I'm here for the ride. I'm not trading this trade as a little scalp. I'm hoping. Well, sounds fucked up to say, but I'm hoping the more blips keep coming out, we just enjoy a nice like 3 4 point move continuation down.
I ain't rooting for Putin, but I'm rooting for my
Yeah. Yeah. Hoping my poops go in the money is what I'm hoping. Grab me the 428s. I also picked up a little bit of 427s on that pop as well. So
I'm in the 426s.
shit. How about we get you plumbed? I go double plumb, and then we get a big ol' yeah. Because I haven't fucking had a good yeah in a while, unfortunately.
Spy a new lot.
Am I behind you or ahead of you?
What do you mean?
Oh, Spy like already made a lob when you said it. I was already back up to 429.65.
Oh, then my bad. I thought I saw it like wick down and
Oh.
slap a new lot and then pop back up.
Yeah. I think it did. It's just when you said it, it happened like 10 seconds after mine, I think.
He's just got so much spaghetti on his charts, you don't know
Oh,
what
yeah.
he's looking at.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my
He's
computer's
like, oh, it's not even
just chugging.
Spy.
Chug,
That's
chug,
not even
chug.
Spy. That's Crocs, damn it.
Right? That wasn't a wick. That was like 5 indicators crashing into each other.
It's also a sign.
Could be. Ooh, guys, I don't know. The 432 call, the 340 call, they both tapped a buck, went up to $1.20, came back to a buck on that drop, and now they're back at $1.20. They just double bottomed right at a buck.
I was watching those at that's kind of like my counter like trade type thing, watching those too because this buy zone type thing that I really like. It's just the news makes me a little bit more hesitant, but like fundamentally and everything like that, I really like those. I'm just personally throwing fundamentals out the window a little bit with this kind of info we're getting.
That's it, Spy. Come on now. Nice.
I'll be right back. Maybe if I walk away. Oh, frick, that hurt. Maybe if I walk away again, we'll get another flush. Who knows? Or we'll pop back and then. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. And if we pop back, I'll just yell at Professor about not managing. I'll be back.
Yeah, I mean, we're already at squeeze bottom, so if you're not in the short, I would be careful. I wouldn't be adding. SPX has filled the gap. It's only gone like a teensy bit further, and we're at a big psychological level of 4,300. Meanwhile, VIX is not pumping higher, really, right? I said my next level on VIX was 29.42. VIX is barely pushing higher yet. It's only at 29.2. And we hit lower, absolutely, but we seem to be holding right now quite well.
Yeah, I would agree with you there for sure. Technically, like I said, this is just a place where I would really like to be going long. Or I'm in some puts right now off this news, but technically speaking, calls don't look bad. I like the 432s a lot on the call side on SPY. That's what I'm watching on the other side of things. And then I'm in some puts, obviously. But
Buy both, bro. One will pay for the other if they don't both pay for
I
themselves.
both them.
Both of them. Yeah, puts have been very lucrative so far today. The 338 put on QQQ tapped Beast at 80 cents, ran up to about 250 at our burger top before stalling out. The 428 put on SPY hit our Beast zone at around 60 cents, ran up and hit to the burger patty at around $1.60.
Damn, easy, right? And cheap.
And then right now, the SPY 432 calls, the QQQ 340 calls are just sitting right at Beast. Beast bottoms, pretty much. Beast zones, yes, and right around $1. I picked up some at $1. If they head under $1, I'll risk as much as 20 cents down. Already up a little bit on each.
Yeah, I'm with you on those 432s.
Yeah. What did my chart just do? Fuck.
And I will say, we did bounce off that buy zone twice. We've gotten double bottom here around in Beast on the 432s. We do have the hourly squeeze. Everything's technically looking really good for a long setup here.
Right, yeah, I talked about it in prep. If we fall down to these lower time frame squeeze bottoms, this 30-minute, 1 hour squeeze bottom, that is where I want to go long.
The Ukraine's foreign minister says that Russia will not stop at Ukraine, and Moscow is trying to prove the weakness of the United Nations.
They want the smoke.
Essentially, that's what they're trying to say, yeah.
Yeah, we get it. You're scared, Ukraine. We get it. Just roll on over. And deep breaths. Also,
Got a nice spike level here of 4,300 on ES too. We can keep an eye on, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we're kind of just tinkering above and below. We'll get a decent push one way or the other. That can kind of be a good sense of direction that bulls or bears kind of decided where we're going from there.
Oh,
New Lods.
Yeah,
Well,
that time
new
you
Lods
run
are-
Q.
Hey, I'm right this time.
Yeah. Your indicator didn't trick you. One thing I will say is we are still just in my buy zone though.
Yep.
We are still just right in the midst of that hourly cloud. I mean, I probably I'd admit I chased a short myself a little bit, mostly chasing news, but also I don't think this is necessarily the biggest place to go long. I could see us pop here.
Right, right. If you're not already in puts, it's not time to chase. There will be entries.
Yeah.
If
Push
you're
up
entering
just to-
calls, you got all your lines in the sand.
Handle like that.
Yep. QQQ and SPY both in buy zones right now.
Yeah.
And
yeah,
that they're
waiting
squeeze
for-
bottoms.
Yeah. Hold on one sec.
VIX tapping that 29.45. That was my next rejection point on the way to 30. Tesla holding 800 like a dog at these squeeze bottoms. ESNQ's a little lower. VIX not popping through just yet.
The news blips keep coming. Ukraine's foreign minister. Russia is ready to attack, and we have a short time to deter it from this step.
Locked up a couple of these 426s for 50%. Gonna
Nice.
see if I can get to 426.
Alright.
SPY 430s just landed in beast zone. About a $1.30, $1.50.
Grabbed like fucking 40 of these 426s.
You got 40 of them?
I wish.
Would've
been nice.
My man's fucking nuts deep in this thing. Ukraine's foreign minister. That's probably what brought this
Yeah, I
last
did.
flush that I didn't see.
Yeah, I just read that out.
Yeah, that's great. Ready to attack. We have a short time to do. Well, fucking attack then. Hurry up. What are you waiting for? I want my next thing to be like vicious, loud explosions heard all across Ukraine. U.S.
This one's
sending
fucking World War
troops.
III.
Essentially, yes. Limit down.
Fuck that. That'd be a fucking nuclear war.
Oh my god, what's this guy? Pansy? We got the metaverse for a reason. Stay inside, wear a gas mask in the house, and catch you on the metaverse.
Let's go. Let's break through 428.
Damn, dude, that's 430 puts on SPY. Fuck the 330 right now.
Yep.
The what?
The 430 puts on SPY.
Yeah. It's fucking beautiful.
Yeah, SPX new lot. SPY peaked below 428 for a second.
Just a brief second. The
VIX
next
at-
major squeeze that I'd be waiting. Sorry, I don't mean to cut you off. It's just that 2 hour. We're kind of breaking this 1 hour down. See if we can get to that 2 hour down to like 426 range.
Oh, watch. Oh, shit.
Because watch, you're supposed to be able to make more on the downside than you lose. Come on, mate. Instead, you just call me un-American. That's why you you do the whole full port thingy. You're up 68%, and then yeah.
Nice bounce off of 427.82.
Shout out Richie for instructing me to do my full port.
Yeah, yep. Ty, I'm right there with you. I'm watching Tesla. I'm watching these 875s and these 850s just go sideways while Tesla holds this 800. And the 850's just sitting in beast zone, burger bottom.
Ukraine says UN has done little to condemn Russia's occupation of Ukrainian territory.
Man, Ukraine's pissed. They mouthing off.
And they're asking for help. No one's doing shit to help.
He's like the nerd that got told by the bully, "I'll see you at 3 o'clock," and he's just like,
Yeah.
"Come on, you gotta back me up."
He's telling everyone, dude, he said he's gonna meet me at 3. All right, good night. Are you gonna come with me? Nope.
Got my back, right? Ewan's like, sorry, but did you see that thing in Bloomberg, Ukraine?
Not my problem.
Well, so far our thesis from today has been pretty good. You know, we expected a downside before we try to go any long. We've got the downside so far.
Yep. Now it's just a matter of gauging how much downside do we get, you know.
Absolutely.
Vic with a little gap up.
Yeah, VIX pulling back a little bit. Just gave up that 29.5-ish. So watching these calls. Nice there at Beast. 430 right at Beast on SPY for about $1.50. The 340 a little below Beast, but really holding this $1 level well.
In that bottom bun.
Oh, there we go. Tesla starting to push off of this 800 area. Trying to get back to VWAP. 75's already up about 50 cents from the lows.
Ukraine state of emergency to start from midnight for 30 days.
It is a state of emergency.
Hey, how often are you updating the app? Like every 30 seconds or something?
Every 10 seconds.
Or every 10 seconds?
Yeah.
There you go, coach. Just gotta refresh it yourself.
Yeah, and on the app, you don't have to hit the refresh button. If you drag the list down, it will do like a quick refresh and it doesn't like reload the whole app type thing. So give that a go. Give it a drag down and it should kind of update quicker for you.
See if we can get, you know, at least VWAP here on these indices. Give us a nice short.
And yeah, no, watch, we did not get anywhere near yesterday's lows. If we bounce from here, it's a significantly higher low. Tesla's the only thing that set a new low, really. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Watch, if we sit above on QQQs, if we sit above this 336 and hold this squeeze bottom for an extended amount of time, we'll likely head back up. Looks like NVIDIA 245s are near beast. Netflix 395s.
Two.
SPY 432s.
ADD is negative now as well. Just noticed. Past couple
Yeah.
minutes.
Yeah. It slipped below to about, what, negative 300? Now it's almost back to positive. SPY and QQQ having a decent pullback. Let's see if this becomes a higher low on the day, or if we make the H and head lower. I'm watching the SPX 4350 call for today. We only have a bottom beast, and it is just sitting on it at about 250. I'm sorry, wait, no, they're sitting on bottom Burger at about 250. Bottom beast is up at 1100, Patty at 1400. Just watching it as a curious gauge. If it heads lower, then we're not getting much upside love. Same time, the 430 calls on SPY are going back to test low of day. QQQ kind of just made the H, but then popped back up. SPY has not quite made it yet. VIX retesting that 29.5. Let's see if it sets a lower high. At the same time that SPY sets a higher low. Qs have already made the H, SPY still hasn't, YM still hasn't, and Ready still hasn't. VIX still struggling with 29.5. Mm-hmm. Hey, Richie, you know that thing?
Mm-hmm.
If you throw that thing on SPY and QQQ, it's pretty clear that today I kind of showed it in prep.
I saw that. I was like, oh, look at this guy.
Mm-hmm. I think it's a good...
Showing things nobody can have. Come on.
Well, we are at the bottom of it, so should be a good spot to reverse.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
VIX back below 29.5 again. Buys and Qs holding this zone right now. So I'll say it for the last time, this is a great spot to go long. We're risking, obviously, breaking down out of these zones on SPY and QQQ. AMD fell right to that 114.5 and has just been basing. So that's a great gauge right now. That 114.5 has been huge on AMD. If we stay above that, definitely a good bullish sign. We give that out, definitely more downside. SPY getting close to an H, QQQs just went lower. And VIX not heading higher. Man, everything is just like sitting at a potential H, but not Hing. NVIDIA, Apple, SPY, AMD. Tesla 850 is just chilling in beast zone.
Right, give us a bounce here. Like, we need room to play. Give us
We know how
VWAP,
they,
baby.
we know how they love to hover it at a key level while they load up another direction, so it's kind of
Right. Right.
waiting on.
And I feel like they just sit there and wait to see how many people pile up on what side too, and they're just like, we'll do the opposite.
Yeah, right. Are y'all still thinking short? Yeah, might as well go along. Keep an eye on this wedge on VIX, especially the downtrend or the uptrend from the lows. If that gives out, we can start to bounce. Tesla back below 800. Tesla's basically got like a wedge going on right at lows. It slipped out the bottom of the wedge just a little. Now it's popping back. Watching the 430 call on SPY because just getting back to VWAP, we'll put that in the money.
Right, right. That's exactly what I'm looking at too. I'm in some for $1.25, right where we're at right now.
Nice.
I want more, but I don't want to add just yet. Lame. Got tons of buy signals, trying to stay on. Trying.
Tesla set a new low day on this little drop. Damn, I missed entry at 110 on those 430s with you, and now they're back to 130.
Yep, I got in at $1.25.
Nice.
I'm flat on them. ADD has been completely sideways at this -350. Holding on.
AMD still holding at 114 and a half.
Yep. Yep. Lots of suffering, but we here.
This wedge on VIX is still not really giving any direction yet.
All right, I'm gonna get up, take a quick walk around, get some water. I'll be right back.
All right, here comes the pop.
Right, I'm hoping. BRB.
Well, as everything is trying to base, I'm drawing some downtrends from the highs so that when we start to break through those, have a little clearer direction of the upside. VIX still chopping around this 29.5.
There we go. SPY finally through 427.82.
Oh, there you go. SPY finally made the H. So did Apple. Apple's just had a nice drop. Tesla new low day as well. Almost to this key 792 buy zone.
Bro, what happened? Thought we were going the other way when I walked away.
You walked away wrong. Did you moonwalk away or something?
Ah, man. That moonwalk got me for sure.
Damn.
Oh god, I know. Like as soon as I cut too, it's just gonna fucking rip to like 500.
Oh, hello.
Hey,
Ah,
Papa.
what's up?
Oh, not so shabby. How's it going here?
Eh,
It's going all right.
alright.
Pretty much everything we were watching, the puts opened right near Beast, tapped them, and went about 3 to 4x.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, the QQQ put the 338 tap Beast at about 90 cents, 80 cents. They're now 375. The SPY 428 put tapped Beast at around 60 cents. Those are now about 230, 240.
Ooh, hell of a VIX spike. Right through 30 to 30.70.
Damn,
Ooh.
good call.
Whoa, huge VIX spike. What's dropping?
Oh, damn, yeah.
What's
Right?
dropping?
Nothing.
Nothing's
Nothing.
dropping.
Ready?
Tesla. Tesla's
That's
the only thing still pushing. No, the Ready just had a weak little H and it's popping back already. So I don't know what is causing VIX to do this.
Maybe the real reaction will come. Yeah. Not in a put. JP
Right, what
Morgan
is
says
that?
all prices will average. UK reports new COVID cases. Nothing significant. I can't find anything.
No.
I'm wondering if it's a late reaction to this most recent H that like SPY and SPX did, because when the S&P made that H and dropped, VIX did not react, and now it pops and nothing's moving. So
I get caught up a little bit.
I guess VIX just wanted to remind us it is a lagging indicator. Some of these puts are tapping the burger top from yesterday, those levels. This is a very slow controlled bleed, kind of like yesterday. SPX below
Control selling.
4,300. What was that, Papa?
It's controlled selling again.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Another new lot, another new hot on these puts. The SPX 4280 put hit bottom beast this morning around $5. Those are now 20.
Oof.
Yeah, I will make some food. And I have another meeting in 15 minutes. Fuck my life.
I ain't missing much here, I guess.
No, I miss you guys. I see you guys later.
All right,
See you
man.
later, Papa.
SPX made it to 4280. The 4280s hit beast at top burger bun now. Now that they're in the money, so. Target achieved. We also have a daily Keltner on SPX right here. Ooh. Just kicked something. Oh well. So let's see if SPX can base here at this daily Keltner if we're going lower still. Yesterday's low on SPX is only about 10 points down. That's another new low.
Damn, Tesla. Oof, man, really working its way through that squeeze bottom.
Yeah. It's arrived at this key AP level, 792. See if it holds.
Mm-hmm. Already peeking under. Damn, dude.
Hey everyone, it's Lindsay Lohan, and guess what? Now I'm on TikTok. Hey everyone, it's Lindsay Lohan, and guess what? Now I'm on TikTok. Hey everyone, it's Lindsay. Lindsay Lohan, and guess what? Now I'm on TikTok.
VIX back under 30.
Oh wow, hell of a fucking drop down too.
Yeah, engulf that shit right back.
QQQ spy, new LOD. Ew, what the fuck, VIX?
Right. NQ yesterday's low.
Yep, same zone we bounced at yesterday. Well, actually, oh, okay, no, yeah. Same zone on SPY and QQQ that we bounced at yesterday.
Hey everyone, it's Lindsay Lohan, and guess what? Now I'm on TikTok. Hey everyone, it's Lindsay Lohan, and guess what? Now I'm on TikTok. Hey everyone, it's Lindsay Lohan, and guess what? Now I'm on TikTok.
What are y'all watching in here?
Sitting in some 430 calls and SPY.
Yeah, trying to catch this bottom here.
If it is a bottom.
If.
The last one was.
The last one wasn't right. Nor the one before that. At 430, I was like, ooh, these 432s, 435s look good. And then we went a little lower. We're like, oh, those 430s look good. Man. Find the trend, though. What I get. But hey, you know, this market's gonna go one direction for half a session. Come on,
Oh, man.
right? Give us some legs, baby.
I locked up all my puts at like 80-90%.
Damn, nice.
Cash, you know, so. Doing all right so far.
It's one of those type of days. You buy higher, sell high, or buy high, sell higher.
Yeah, sometimes you buy high and sell
Even
your
higher.
calls lower, you know? So sometimes it's the opposite. Worked out, I guess. New York City. Let's go. I really like us kind of consolidating here and bouncing on this little buy zone area on SPY, losing momentum to the downside. I mean, it's been a slow grind. It's not like it's been panic or anything like that. We're at yesterday's lows. I think it's a good inflection point, and it's a pretty clear indication of if you are wrong. You know, you break yesterday's lows, which is basically just risking this sell zone. I think that's pretty clear and defined risk. I don't hate the trade at all. obviously, I think today's price action is a lot of indication of news blips and stuff coming out from over Ukraine and all that stuff. So, we're kind of at the mercy of them and what they think and what news blips come out. But I am waiting to see if we can get some nice little sideways action here, possibly a little accumulation starting here at this buy level, and see from there.
All right, nice little push from Tick. 600 on the positive side. VIX kind of breaking below this trend line it has.
Yep, QQQ's popped up to test the trend line from the highs. So let's see if we can get through here.
Give us a little relief bounce. Give us the midday VWAP chop, but we actually get to VWAP.
Pullback. VIX is falling below 29.5 again after whatever just happened to VIX. ADD catching a decent bounce. Tick back up to positive 400, 600. There we go, VIX. Just give it out, baby.
I'll be right back.
Ready and YM starting to get through some downtrends from the highs as well.
Alright, SPY now out of this channel that it's had down all morning. Now about to retest it from the top instead of from the inside.
Oh, come on. Back-to-back 0 days and you give us this shit.
Apple Nulad.
Lame. About to just cut on my shit. I'm trying to sit through this fucking lunch chop too.
Yeah, I think you're gonna like it. It's just like the most refreshing, huh? It's just the most like clean and refreshing, huh? Yeah. What? What did you say?
SPX just caught a nice bounce off of this daily Keltner. QQQ
Yo.
Spy doing the same, getting on through.
Come on, little market, keep it up. Give us something. Don't honey dick us.
We're gonna play in the 430s?
430s.
Yep. Yeah, because if we get back to VWAP, that puts us pretty much in the money.
I got a handful of 435s as well that turned into lottos kind of fast.
Been there.
But my 430s are almost back to flat, so we chilling. Just give us VWAP and everything will be Gucci. Not even a heavy ask. Ah, come on.
Oh man.
Lame.
Yep, SPY rejected the trend line from the highs. Going back. You know, when we break through a trend line, we gotta pull back and test.
Yeah. Keep our premium as subdued as possible.
Mm-hmm.
Got Reggie buy signals across the board. Come on, Reggie, do us justice, my boy. See if we can stay under this 29.5 on VIX. Tick now with a couple strong looks at 600. Keeps rejecting, but some good attempts here and repeated attempts.
These 430s starting to pick up a little.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I'm only down 10% on them right now.
I picked up a few at about 83 cents.
Nice. I'm in at $1. Well, I wasn't at $1.25, but your boy averaged down. Yeah.
Yeah, I did the same. I was holding a 340. I got one at 42 cents. Bringing my average down, so. Let's go get VWAP.
At least, come on. Get this fucking view on.
Meant it at least.
Right? I might not make it in the money now if we get the view up, but be right there.
SPX pushing for more. It has that 4,300 level to keep an eye on.
And I've got my 428 puts ready to go when we get to VWAP. Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
It was
Hey,
beast.
430's at $1.
Let's go.
Ooh, I'm up 25% on those.
Come on, little market. You got this.
Little baby market. Oh.
Your link for the live, none of your charts are like keeping up with the live price action.
Oh, I know. I can't
It's
help
the
it.
entire stream. Yeah, the entire stream's honestly like it's like a minute behind.
No, I mean that's
Yeah.
okay, but the actual charts themselves are not like following live price action. You know what I'm saying? Like they're all behind.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying I can't control that. I'm streaming live, and YouTube adds buffer so that the stream is smooth and doesn't like pause. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean I get that, but like the charts themselves, like if you go to that screen on your computer, the
Yeah.
charts are like behind. Are they not? Or you just not have extra space? Oh no, never mind, never mind. You just don't have extra space.
No, I
Am
don't
I-
have extra space. Correct.
Okay.
No, they're live on my screen.
No, you're right.
And,
You're right.
and
They
the
are live.
stream is like a minute and a half behind.
No, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that for sure. We do have questions in there as well, by the way.
Yep, I'm answering them.
Okay. I like it though.
I like it.
There you go, Spy.
Mook's being busted.
Back in we go.
Weak. A little tiny rejection here. Keep us going higher, baby. I'm gonna go raid my fridge real quick. BRB.
I went and got some jerky myself.
Nice.
Munching on it.
I have to go fucking grocery shopping.
Oh man.
Worst part.
All right. And with every pullback, VIX pops back up to test 29.5. 29.5 being very key right now on VIX. As long as we can stay below it, I think we can push off from it to the downside on VIX, allowing the market to move back up. Gauging this pullback to see if it's just a higher low or the start of an H. So far, it's not too aggressive. Tesla's been kind of the weakest so far, so kind of looking to see if it makes its H first. Also watching the Ruddy. Small caps seem to be kind of undulating a little harder, and so they can lead the next move a little bit. Undulating. So as long as Ruddy can move up from here and not complete this H, this is a good bottom and a good spot to risk. Some of us already picked up calls off of yesterday's lows, that zone that we just bounced at. So yeah, now we are holding to see if we can keep going higher. If we come back to make an H, most likely cut the calls and look for a better entry. Most of us have locked up all our puts. I held at least one runner just in case there's more downside. Call it a hedge against these couple of longs. But calls are kind of uptrending. Yep, getting some buy signals here, there, everywhere. So far today, the SPY 428 put, tap beast at around 60 cents, ran up to 250, that's a 4x. The QQQ 338 put, tap beast at around 80 cents. Ran up to $4. That's a 5x, right? SPX, the 4280 put, slipped below bottom beast for a second. Bottom beast was around 550. Those hit $20, so about a 4x. Tesla 750 puts opened at bottom burger and held it and ran from $2 to about $8 for a 4x.
All right, SPY, let's break this wedge right here, buddy.
Yeah, good little bounce on SPY there. There we go. Looking like a high low. Looking like VWAP is in our sights. There we go.
One good piece of jerky.
Come on, SPY going up to 430 and put these calls in the money, lock those up, start hunting some puts.
I need another. Ooh.
Man, thought you had it in you, Spy.
Looking for VIX to give out this 29.25 that it's been defending real well. So give out that 25, head down to 29, get us up to VWAP.
I'll go get my laundry and hopefully come back. We're at 4:30.
Do it. And Raj, my pleasure. Feel free to ask any more questions if you have them.
I said 4:30, motherfucker.
Hey, okay. My trip to the fridge was beneficial in more ways than one.
Oh, yeah? There we go. SPX SPY trying to push a little more. Up almost 30% on this call.
Yeah, my 430s are green.
I'm up 25% on these.
Big 740.
VIX?
Vic.
Oh, my bad.
Did I say Vix?
My ears maybe just don't work.
Vix 29 though.
There we go. I just mentioned that. Want to see VIX give out that 29.25 and dump to 29 so we can start this push to VWAP and get it done. Ooh, up 35%. And yeah, on these 430 calls, we've got Beast at 155, we've got Burger at 195. So those are kind of some profit targets I'm keeping an eye on right now. Locking a little bit here just because I'm at 36%, sticking to my rules. Definitely holding the core for VWAP. Which is just another buck or so. So let's, come on. $1.
$1 hair.
$1.
Let's break through 429.
He is about to reclaim the 1 hour squeeze bottom, as well as SPY.
Here we go.
I'm watching SPX. The 4280 put that was so lucrative so far today is very quickly dying to beast.
Yep, I got that 428 put on SPY. Looking at the same thing.
Oh yeah. I got that over here too. I forgot. SPX getting close to tapping 4,300. Let's go. Freeze on me, Toss. Come on. There we go.
So watching VIX 29 here. Want to see it crack under. You can get a nice push to VWAP.
Yep, just also looking around on some names at key levels and whatnot. Tesla's got this 795, 800 right now. AMD is tapping that 114.5 that it did finally fall below just to hit the squeeze cloud bottom. Caught a bounce there, and now it's testing 114.5 from below. So could be a key point of rejection now that we're below it on AMD. Would love to see us get back above it. VIX below 29. And tapping it now from beneath. We'll pull back here. VIX just peaking above 29. VIX is trading in a down channel. Obviously, we're trading in an up channel. Watch your trend line from the lows. See if it holds. I've also thrown the trend line tool on my put options that I'm watching. They have a downtrend from the high on the premium. So I'll be watching to see if the premium can break through its trend line first, or the equity can, to try to give an early indication of any kind of reversal. Because right now this is just a measured pullback, right? So.
Lost the sock.
Getting some 5-minute Reggie cells on the indices.
Yeah, hopefully we start to get a little push and wipe them, but right now still just a measured pullback.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the slow grind. A slow grind. Great hold for these calls and for the market. There's a nice bounce.
Really taking it to Reggie right here.
Yeah. Don't be bullied by Reggie.
Only one guy left is YM. That needs to repaint. Need Vix to get under 29 and stay under 29. Taking a nice little uptrend though.
Yeah. Quit it. Oh, man, I hate this thing. There it is, finally, off my screen. When you hover down and, like, accidentally hover over the weather, you know, in your taskbar.
Oh my god, yes.
Comes up and half your screen is, like, frozen for a second. If we can hold here and push the view up, we've kind of set in inverse head and shoulders on the day, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. There you go. We like that.
Oh yeah, there it is. Spy almost a VWAP. You got your orders out, Richie?
Nope, not yet.
Get your orders out, what are you doing? I got an order out at 166.
Nice.
And yeah, probably use like $1 as a mental stop maybe, but not too worried about it right now.
Right, that was one of my feelings too. Not too worried about it just yet.
Yeah, I say boo to
Volume
this.
is nice and low, kind of just drifting, you know.
Oh yeah, yeah. Even the way this candle pulled back, I'm not. I sweat.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, I don't know if you heard me say I threw the trend tool on the puts that I'm watching so that I have a downtrend from the highs. So I can watch puts and premium, you know, puts premium and the equity to see which kind of breaks first.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, we're just traveling in the channel. We have placed our risk on the longs when we should, and they are doing well. We're watching the puts for if they get back to beast or break their trend line. Oh, we just sit back and wait. Oh yeah, and Richie, I was saying we should do a webinar maybe tomorrow night, or maybe tonight, one or the other. I don't know, but to cover you know, the kind of stuff I've taught in the past about like OCO orders, about all the different kinds of orders you can issue, so that if you do have to leave, walk away, it can be managed. You know, something like this where we're trading in an up channel. You can put out some certain kinds of orders that should it break or whatever, you get out, you caught your piece, yada yada.
Yep. The old AP nap setup, or myself going to the pool. You
Yeah.
know,
Mm-hmm.
gotta have it. Yeah, I'd say maybe tonight is better because if AP's gonna prep tomorrow, you know, not make people be too glued to the screen all day.
Sure.
Spread the love a little bit.
Alright, so looking around. It looks like a number of things have fired their 30 minutes down, but a lot of the 1 hours are still intact. QQQ is pulling right up to its 1 hour squeeze bottom. It is saying it's firing right now, but if it gets back above and pushes off of it, it will stay intact. In Q 30 minute and 1 hour it says fired down, but kind of the same thing. Where's the 1 hour on NQ? Yeah, kind of same on ES too. Yeah, so it's kind of a nice visual if you look on ES. It fell through its 30 minute, hit its 1 hour, slowed down for a sec, dipped outside of it, now it's back above it to make this head and shoulders. So this 1 hour squeeze bottom on ES is basically the shoulders, and as long as we stay above this, looking good to continue this channel. I'd still risk down to 42.82 on ES, maybe. I don't know. I don't think it'll be worth it to sit through that down. So, I'll just re-enter if it comes to it.
Alright, I'm probably gonna pop out of here in like 15 minutes.
Sounds good, sir.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's 62 degrees today, and then on Friday we're supposed to get 6 to 10 inches of snow. So, figure I'd enjoy some of the weather. But I just want fucking VWAP.
Damn, bro. On Friday, we're looking at like 62. 80 right now.
Hey,
though.
yeah, I'll be trekking in the snow.
ADD pumping. Almost back to 0 on ADD, so keep an eye on that.
Yeah, I would like Vix to flush his 2879 level.
Yes, I know. I'm just been staring at it all day. Like, get below it. But you know, it lines up well. As we are like slowing down right before VWAP. Vix is right back at this key level.
Oh, we're almost there. ES was having a hard time with 4293 and 3/4. Just finally pushing through. Closed above. VWAP is still 10 points away on ES.
ADD through 0. Come on, Vix, dump it.
Oh, AD through 0. Whoa,
Yeah,
whoa, whoa.
yeah. Welcome
Oh, we
back.
got.
I might need you to walk away again, Richie, but just don't moonwalk away.
I can walk away. I just came back from taking out my trash.
I'm just joking. It's a silly superstition we have. But it works.
What is VWAP is 28 points.
Oh, Richie.
Alright, I really want to see those 428 puts back at Beast. Come on.
Yeah, I want to see one good push and these 430s get up to $1.50.
Yes.
426s are on Beast right now. About
Ah.
58 cents.
Lame.
26. Yeah, that's right back by low a day. Yeah, but we made it this far. It's going to tap VWAP.
Oh yeah, no, for sure we'll tap VWAP. But will we go higher?
YM's trying to back up to VWAP. Ruddy's almost there, so it'll be a good first gauge.
Yeah, let's go, Spy.
Nice.
There it is. Oh yeah, there it is.
All right,
I gotta order it at 166.
we got one left. I'm gonna go take my walk. I'm not even gonna look at it.
Let's go.
Give it that pop. A little bit more.
Alright, you got through VWAP that easy? Give it to us, baby. Keep climbing. Pick 1000. Small rejection.
Ah, fucker. Come on. No, didn't want to do that. Cancel that.
Alright, CES get through 4300 here and hold it.
There we go, pushing in.
Salu?
I just had to clear my throat, sorry.
Hmm. Come on, yes. Give us VWAP. Give us January point of control. Shit.
Alright, locked one at 152. Good enough.
As we're about to go in the money, come on, guy.
I got more. I got more. It's just a trim. You know how we do.
You know how we do? Yeah, I'm gonna trim some here too, right at 430.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm also in these 340s from 40 cents, and I'm gonna lock a little here because it's a double now. It'll give me the fucking order up. Come on.
Oh.
Come on. Ah, punk. You gonna film me? No. Yeah, it pulled back. Fucker.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, wait. No, okay, it filled me. It just wasn't reading it out right. Or, you know. It wasn't, Since I'm running toss and streaming, it took a second to, like, alert me that it had been done.
Mm.
But I got filled. I got filled like higher than the current price, so it did like happen.
Nice.
Yeah, it's it was kind of like shit. It just gave some back, but the fill came in higher.
Yeah. I'm in here having a heated dance with Active Trader right now. Oh.
I know I hate that.
Like, do I be greedy? Do I move my stop up? Do I not move my stop up? No. Don't fill me. Don't fill me. No, don't fill me. Ooh. Nice. Dodged my stop by $1. Let's go. Come on, Spy. Get us through 430. You can do this, baby. Hey, we in the money, though.
Yep.
Put this shit on my fridge.
All right, so SPY 4280s are at, I'm sorry, SPX 4280s are at bottom beast. SPY 428 are not quite at beast.
Right? Give us a little more, baby. Come on.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna leave a runner for a little bit more action. I think the Qs could potentially make a pushback to 340. I know it's asking a lot out of them.
I don't think that's too wild.
But it's not too wild, yeah. I mean, it doesn't even get us back to open.
Mm-hmm. Right, and that's Friday's low, pretty close, so
Yeah.
nice spot. I know.
It's also back above the 30-minute squeeze, so it's, we'll slip back into one by tomorrow anyway.
Charlie, what you doing up there? You're not supposed to be in the attic. It's forbidden.
Don't be a chicken, Molly.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That was a nice double off the bottom, right?
Yeah. Still sitting in some.
Check out what I found. What is it?
I did get cut on some though. Or stopped out on some.
Do you think we can open it? No, Charlie,
Regards.
not loud in here.
No, just kidding. I was pretty red, so pretty happy as fuck.
Oh no, yeah. I mean, I wasn't too bad. I think the worst that one of them got down to was like minus 50%. But I didn't have much sides in it, right? So I didn't sweat it.
Right.
I repositioned in some nice spots. Now I've made doubles. Everything's back to green. Even that thing that was down 50%. So.
Yep. I'm still up 120% on my last little bits.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna empty out around here though, with ES kind of just inching towards VWAM. Not looking very strong.
Yeah.
I'm up good right now.
Yeah,
Might just handle.
Yeah, I locked one more of each. For the same reasons. The second you started to say it, I was like, yeah, I think that's a good idea. Oh, don't give me that bullshit. Do I have an order out? Oh, I do. Was it a higher take profit? Is that what I still got out? Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah, I'll risk that to wait for that take profit. Why not?
Got VIX at 28.5.
Alrighty. There we go. VIX doing what we wanted to. Die on back to 28. We do have a pre-market high around this 28.48 though, so keep an eye on that. We could stop our momentum to the downside on VIX here and chop around, go sideways or bounce, you know. Sure. Ooh, they're pumping some premium in. A little on the call side. Oh my, Richie, we gonna get to $2?
All right, bro. That's what I'm holding out for you.
At least that 195. Give us that burger bottom. Is Connor still here? Did he walk away? goodness, Toss, what are you doing to me? Okay. Okay, Spy, what are you doing? My goodness. No, it probably won't let me execute anything. I went to a window and hit Control T to pop up like a time frame box to pick a different time frame. Ugh, and it wouldn't let me exit it. Darn it. Toss, you're killing me. Yo, Richie, if we can get one good push up to that 195 on the 430s, it should put the 428s right at Beast.
That's what I'm watching.
Yeah. Those SPX 4280s held Beast bottom at around $5. Also keeping an eye on that. Ooh, Tesla. Tesla's starting to give out its uptrend from the lows. Tapped 800 and rejected hard, couldn't make it back to VWAP. Let's see if 792 can keep it afloat. And down comes some stuff. AMD slipping back below 1450 for a second. Let's see if I can get back above. SPY a little below VWAP. Want to see it stay above 428.86. I and QQQ have pulled back to these buy zones, so want to see them hold above and stay in the green section.
Got another Russia war news blimp.
Oh, fun.
VIX almost back at 29.
Yep, we're holding for now. QQQ is testing its uptrend from the lows right now, tapping it while it's tapping this 336.73. So want to see that hold. If that breaks, I will likely cut my last Q call.
See if this 1 hour squeeze bottom holds us up.
Yeah, premium is starting to test its downtrend from the highs as well. So we need to see a bounce here. Like a right here, or else we're probably heading back down.
Those 428s caught a perfect bounce at the yellow Rilla and myself.
Yeah, it fell right between the burger and the beast. I'm also looking at the calls I'm watching. I'm thinking that we locked those at the perfect time. And do I want to break the same ride again?
Getting a couple more Russia blips here. Gotta stay ready for this. Nice.
Yep, great rejection for the premium at the testing its trend line. Great bounce for Q at its trend line in this 336. So that was a very good bullish bounce.
Right, VIX right at 29 too. Nice rejection.
Nice rejection, 29 VIX. Yeah, all lining up really, really well. Just another measured pullback. ES already bouncing, trying to get back to VWAP. Same for YM. YM's holding its own right near VWAP really well. NVIDIA held that 232 key level. AMD's still not back above 114.5. That would help. Oh, my Apple chart is, no, okay, it's fine. Ooh, Apple, come on. Ah, there, now it's fixed. What is going on with this chart? There we go. Yeah, Apple bounced at a great spot to keep going up. Also watching the 430 put, it bounced perfectly at Burger Bottom.
Hello,
Welcome back.
back.
Hey.
Just close the work laptop.
Very nice.
Yeah.
We are currently in some calls that we already locked for a double and just have some runners.
Nice.
Yeah, we just missed a good entry on some puts, and they popped, but now they're coming back. So I'm kind of watching for a potential entry on some of them. Namely the 428 put on SPY. It's currently at Burger Bottom right at about $1. They were about 250 at the lows.
I see that ES rejected VWAP,
Yep.
and I got a sell signal on my futures.
Yep. Yep. VIX right at about 29. Already rejected it. Oh.
What happened after that fixed spike?
Nothing. It went flat as can be and then dropped right back down with an equal candle. Like, I don't
So
know what
strange.
I couldn't find anything that caused it.
Yeah.
It was confused.
Yeah. When it spiked, I had to leave, but I didn't check till now.
Yeah.
Someone pressed the wrong button, I guess. They spiked the whole chart. Panic.
I'm gonna pick up one 428 put at Burger Bottom. And I'm gonna even just kind of call it a hedge against these longs. Because if it pops from here, the longs are like, I'm cutting them still for a profit, but at my mental stop loss. Also just trying to be cognizant that we aren't diving off of this VWAP rejection. Oh, there we go. QQQ starting to give out its uptrend from the lows. SPY's almost to its uptrend from the lows. YM almost making an H off of VWAP. Some of these puts are starting to break through their trend lines now as QQQ starts to dump its trend line. Same with NQ. ES starting to follow. Ruddy is close to giving out, and if it does, it's gonna add to. There we go. NVIDIA just gave out. AMD. Apple's going lower. Picked up that put at just the right time. Already up 20%. Ooh, AMD, everything actually pushing a little harder now. Down. SPX 4280s got back to bottom beast of $5. They just hit a double at $10 on this drop. So, you know, right now I'm holding a call and a put, and green on everything still. The call is actually right at my entry, so, but I've already locked up a double on it. The put, ooh, I'm up 40% now. There we go. QQQ SPY dumping more. Pump that premium in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Up 50%. Gonna lock a little right here.
Oh man, that is dope. Take
Did you
negative
see?
1,000. Big spec over 29.
I'll keep dumping because I didn't get filled. Let's keep on dumping. Okay, there we go. There. Let's see. That was fortunate. Pushing.
So the indicator was right again. We were in a sell signal, we rejected VWAP, and now we dumped hard.
Okay. Lock some at 50%. There we go. Richie, did we not like have the perfect lock on those calls?
Dude, honestly, right? And just like called it out the entire time.
No.
Play by play. I was down on those too a little bit, and I ended up closing like up almost 70%. that all day.
Atticus, do you think Borelli ever really comes and looks in my window at night? Jim says he does. This afternoon when we were over by their house.
I told you and Jen, leave those poor people alone. I want you to stay away from their house and stop tormenting them.
Oh no, they're pumping a little more premium in here. On the put side, that is. Is it a fake out? Or are they trying to take it lower? Oh. They just pumped some more premium and it barely even slipped anymore. I think we're gonna go up and hit the next order. All right. How long is this stream running? Because I don't want to go crazy. Coming up on almost 3 hours. Here's 1 o'clock starting up. This is the start of the next 4-hour candle. So we can see some things actually wake up and get a little extra momentum at this point sometimes. Oh, let's see. Downside slowing down just a little bit as we approach these recent lows where we bounced earlier on this drive up.
Yeah, tick caught a nice bounce at -1,000.
Yeah, and if you look at SPX on a 1 minute, it's actually trading now. If it bounces from here, kind of in bullhorn, you know, opening up wedge kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. Megaphone.
Megaphone, that's the word, thank you. Ooh, there we go, we're pumping more premium into these puts. Qs and SPY slipping a little more. I think we might get a full test of these recent lows. Oh yeah, next order to fill is at 225 on these puts that I picked up for $1.10.
Everybody introduce themselves so we know who we're talking to you. So what type of questions do you guys have? Anything that you guys think
You got some visitors over there?
No, just somebody who thinks he needs to talk as loud as possible for the phone call he's on.
No way. Really?
God.
Oh,
No,
Jesus. Some people.
That's through a wall, you know.
That's through a wall? Get out.
No.
Damn.
He's calling with his grandma?
You
Jesus.
know, I mean, you hear me. I don't project because I don't need to. Because the mic's right in front of me, and it's the same for him. In fact,
Yeah.
Except I think the mic is up next to his head.
What are you in, the 428s or the 430s?
Yeah, 428s. I got him at $1.10. Locked some at $1.63.
Hello?
Next order.
Hello?
Sorry, yeah, I was answering, but I was muted. I got the 428s. I picked them up at $1.10 off of Burger Bottom. And as they were about to get through the downtrend from the highs, right as I got in, they exploded and locks them at $1.63. They just hit 2. My next order is at 225. The Burger Top, so it's a Burger Bottom, Burger Top play.
Nice.
And that will make a double. Actually, yeah, I'll just park it at 220.
He's making a new phone call.
Oh man. Oh. Here, I'll mute it. Sorry.
This guy is going to be a meme.
It's usually not that bad.
Nah, we've never heard him before. So.
So you're looking for a new office?
Oh no.
Like a bunker?
And yeah, if this is your first time tuning in and you're watching us live on YouTube, it's worth noting how relaxed, how stress-free most of our trading goes. We have our key levels that we're trying to watch for, to buy at. It kind of makes the whole process a lot easier, a lot less stress. And yes, I'm trying to just keep talking to talk over the noise next door. Right? Oh my gosh.
Well, we have something pretty similar to that.
Oh. Let me get Oh, my headphones just gave out. Where did I put those other ones? Oh, right here. Get that going. Give me my audio back. There we go. Now I can hear my lo-fi bot.
Man, what a move. Blitz printing, baby.
Oh, yep. Double, double. There's another double. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I canceled my order just because the energy that was coming at my order, I said, well, I'm gonna wait for this energy to dissipate.
Yeah,
like
for sure.
on the chart, I was kind of getting some some signals for extra momentum about to head in, and so I'm holding out. And now these puts and also SPX puts are right back at high a day. So that was something else I was watching out for. Like, I picked these things back up near their lows after they ran so much. My order was close to high a day, so I canceled it, letting this momentum get to high a day. Now I'm just gonna see what happens.
Yeah, no, and on equity, we're at low, you know, 3 low of day, about to be at yesterday's low.
There you go.
And dude, this 425 is off of Beast, like 40 cents up to $1.20 right now.
Oh man, I'm so glad I did that. So my order was at 225. It's now at 28. Oh. So, you know, that's why we watch both sides. That's why we're cognizant of these trend lines and whatnot, trying to identify the change in trend. We caught, you know, some puts on the downside today. We caught some calls for a double. Now we're back in puts for a double because it lined up perfectly again with our buy zones. You basically could have taken the same trip on puts today twice. Even on SPX, those 4280s, $5 to 20, they just went $5 to 20. So, and you're risking at the exact point you should. You know, you're risking against the low of day on the premium to go recapture everything. Yeah, and we just put in new highs on the premium.
Yep, new lows on the day.
VIX approaching 30 and not quite there yet, so if this keeps up, I will definitely lock some around 30. And we are
NQ through yesterday's low, coming up on daily squeeze bottom.
Still going.
See if they're sliding in with news. No.
Oh. Even those QQQ 338 puts, you basically could have picked up off the burger patty for about $1.88. They are $4.52 right now. More than a dub.
Buy now at yesterday's low.
Ooh, if these can
Going
hit,
lower.
these can hit 330, that's a triple.
Damn, dude. These 425s are now fucking not a quad. Or not a triple, sorry.
Yep, and I picked up those puts while I was still green on calls. It was like, this is the time, this is where we picked them up. I was green on both for a second, cut the calls, let these puts soar. It was a hedge in case going down meant going all the way down. So I wasn't sitting through, you know, being red on those calls and not holding any puts, right? That's why we hedge, that's why we watch both. Let's see. Are we gonna keep going? Were you giggling because this guy's talking again?
Yeah.
I know, man. I'm streaming on YouTube. You ruined my whole experience for people.
Yeah, the on SPY on the call sign, the 426, 7, 8, and 9 are all like kind of weak on the data.
Ooh. Oh well, yeah, because call
I guess.
they've been
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
money, and yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep, locked up, close enough to a triple. And some of the things I'm watching were at Burger Top or just made new high a day on these put premiums. So sell with the momentum. Don't let it come back against you. Alright, how long is this stream? I think that might be a good spot to end it. Yep, now we're over 3 hours. So, if you're still watching, thanks for tuning in to Predicted Trades for our live session today. We will be back live again tomorrow on YouTube.